Hi guys, what's up? So I'll just wait for a few people to join and then I will start. I'll tell you what I'm doing. So, hi, hello. Please let me know if you're able to hear me. Can you able to hear me? Can you able to hear me? Because I'm using a microphone, so I hope you are able to hear me. So this is what I'm making, guys. The 1:9 scale paper model of the Batman tumbler. Um, yep. Let me see if the comments are there. Yep. So let me know if you're able to hear me, please. So these are the tires. I'm actually putting in detailing for the tires. This is all paper and nothing else. So yeah, can you let me know if you can hear me? My voice is coming or not, so that I can adjust my microphone. And this is the engine and the afterburner of the model. Yep. And I've started it a couple of weeks back, and I still have to spend more than a couple of months to finish this model. It's coming out to be big. It's 1:9 scale model. Hey Alfred, how are you? Thanks for letting me know, man. Thank you. So it will take me a couple of months to make this. So this is the model actually I'm making. The design is done by a Korean guy named Terra Drone. I'm not able to find him anywhere on social media, but I would like to personally thank him once I find him. He's done a very nice job in designing it. Hi Kunal Shah, thank you, man. Thanks. Yeah. So this is let me show you the detailing on the wheels again, and let me show you the rim. So basically this is the rim. This will go inside like this, and so let me wait. Give me a second. I'll show you exactly how it will look like. So actually all my 4 wheels are done, but the detailing on the wheels is pending. So I'm still doing the detailing. So this is how the wheels will go into the into I mean they will be joined together. So there will be there are 4 rear wheels, so there will be 4 wheels here. Let me show you it. I think I should have done this before going live, but yeah, no issues. Nonetheless, this is how it will look like. Follow your works and each other. Would love to connect sometime. Sure, Kunal, I would love to. Thank you, Jonathan. Thank you. Let me show you. Yeah, this is how it will look like, and yeah. So this is the size of the model basically. The detailing on these 2 tires is still left. I'm still working on it, and yeah. So this is how it is. So um, let me zoom in and show you, and let me also do this. Okay, give me a second. I will put it properly then. So this rod, this is the axle of the wheel, which will go through it. The shaft, the rim will go inside like this. Such a beautiful day. Thanks guys, thanks for being there. I'm glad that you guys are still there, because in India most of the people are sleeping because it's very late. But I'm in Bahrain, and I usually sleep very late. So yeah, so let me show you now. Okay, so this is how it will look like. So it's coming out pretty. It's a pretty big model. I mean, it will be around 9.5. Sorry, 9.5, 2.5 feet long model. And are you able to hear me? Are you able to see it properly, or should I bring it close to the camera? Is it clear? Yeah. So this is how it's going to. This is the booty of the. This is the booty of the model, and yeah. So this is how it is going to be. This is the rearmost section, and the front is yet to be started. I've cut all the paper already. I've started it 2 weeks back, and I do live videos every day on my Instagram, which is with Paper Model Guru. I'm the guy with aeroplane on his glasses, and so that's where I do live videos every day. Hi Ankush Malhotra, what's up? So this is the model which is coming up, and this is all paper. Everything is paper and nothing else. And let me show you the detailing on the wheels. So I'm yet to add these small parts over here, which I have added on that wheel. Let me show you that wheel. So if you see this, So I was actually adding this detailing. So this detailing, I'm yet to, close these small parts, and so this is. I mean, it's coming out to be a very beautiful model. I mean, this will be at par with my T90 tank which I made for the Indian Army. So it's coming out very nice. Thanks, man. Thanks, Peter. What's up? Where are you from, Peter? Which country is it? So yeah, this is what I'm doing, guys, and thanks for following, and please do follow my Instagram as well, which is paper model guru. I would love to see you guys there as well, because I do live video every day on Instagram. Yep, especially on Instagram. I'm doing live video on my Facebook page after a long time, maybe after 6 months or maybe 1 year, I don't know. But I'm glad that you guys are here. I thought nobody would join because I'm not active on my page, but I'm glad to see people are here. So again, let me show you, and I'll show you other parts which I've made. Yep. So let me put this here so that people who are joining, they know what I'm making. Is it a tumbler dark time trilogy? It will disassemble and become a bike. Mridul, no, I'm not gonna make a bike out of it. That bat pod will not be there. But yeah, this is a tumbler from the Dark Knight, and the Batman Begins. Thanks, Jonathan. Thank you. And this is the one of the parts of the chassis which will go on top of it like this. And this whole section will go inside the body of the tumbler, and this is one part where the wings where basically the spoiler of the Batman will be there. Let me bring my camera up front a bit. Yeah, so this is where the spoiler will be, the wings, and there are 6 wings basically. So 2 of them will be mounted on this, and the other 4 will be on the body. Oh, sorry, I think I shouldn't have touched my iPad, but since I've done it now, okay, I'll try to get it back. Yep. So this is what I'm doing, guys. Not a came here and we connected. Good, man. Thanks, Kunal. Thank you. I'm glad that you are here. Looks great, mate. Looking forward to finish item. Thanks, Mike. Thank you. And yeah, it's coming out well. It's a big model. It's gonna be this big. I mean, almost 2.5 feet long. Because I'm going to exhibit it in best malls in Bahrain and Middle East. So the model should be visible from a distance. So that's the only reason I'm making it a bigger size. And guys, cheers to the weekend, and I hope everything is fine at your end. Cheers, man. Emerson, cheers from India. Basically, I'm an Indian, but I'm right now in Bahrain. Bahrain is a small country next to Saudi Arabia. Very nice, very cool country, very casual, very lenient country. No strict laws or something. It's like Dubai, but but it's still a Middle East, so you still have to take care of a lot of stuff. Hi, Dheeraj Sharma, what's up? Dheeraj, you will like this. This is how the tumbler is coming up. Yep, this is how the tumbler is coming up. Dheeraj is a big fan of Joker and the Batman, as you can see from his profile. So yeah, out of everyone you will like it. And check out my Batman wall. Let me show you the wall. So this is the Batman wall which I've recently built. So everything is paper. Hi Gary, thanks Gary. Cheers from India and from Bahrain. Czech Republic, good man, thanks. What scale it is? 1:9. Basically I'm making 1:9 scale. Hi Sharath Dudipala. Hi Sharath, what's up, man? So this is 1:9 scale model. 1:6 will be too big. 1:6 will be around 3 feet long, but I didn't want to make it that way because I can't carry it around. Kunal is in our group too, damn talented. Thanks. It is very good to have an activity in the midst of this pandemic. Yes, true. And I'm staying alone in Bahrain. My family is stuck in India, so I'm utilizing all my time in doing what I do the best, my paper modeling. And and I recently made this wall, Batman theme wall, because I was starting this project. So I thought I would, I should have a wall, because I'm also, side by side doing, recording videos, and I will do a time lapse video, the same video which I. Background music is nice. Yeah, let me switch it better, volume up for you guys. Yeah, Stairway to Heaven. This is my favorite song. Yeah, hi George, what's up? So yeah, so Batman wall was made because I'm doing live video. I'm shooting videos. I'm making a time lapse video of it also. So it will take me a couple of months before this model is over. Not any time before that. And so I made this wall so that it looks good. My video looks good. This Joker and this Batman. I recently put time lapse videos of making of these things also on my Instagram, Paper Model Guru. Check it out. I don't know if you can read it because it's the mirror image, but it's the same name on my Instagram as well, Paper Model Guru. And this is another thing which I made for Batman. The Batman lovers are gonna love it. This is again paper. It has it's a black paper stuck on the red one, and yeah. So my Batman theme is ready. Now this Batman tumbler is getting ready. Yeah. So yep, it's coming out well. I gotta get you in Diecast Hub, India's community around scale model creator. Would love to see you there. Sure, man. Kunal, add me there. No issues, man. I will love to join. Hi, Chirag. What's up? Paper model is an activity in public schools here in Brazil. Emerson, actually, this is what my plan is, that I want to do this as a big thing in India. I have done a lot of workshops in India and in Bahrain as well, and I want to get this young generation, these kids, to get to do paper modeling because it's a dying art. Most of us are 30-35 years old guys, and maybe more than 50 years old guys are also there. Like a lot of people who are into paper modeling since long. So this is a dying art. And this art must be propagated because there is nothing more beautiful than making machines out of paper with your hands. So it gives a different kind of satisfaction, right? I mean, I'm sure most of you would agree with me. So yep, so that's my plan. That's my long-term plan, that I would make an army of scale paper modelers in India, and let's see how successful I will be. But so far so good. It's going on. Yep. So that's how it's going, guys. So all of these details which you see here, these small parts, everything will be fitting on the tires. The tire has a lot of detailing. I'm nowhere near to completion of the tires also. Tires has a lot of detailing on it. And let me show you the tire again. People who have just joined. Wait. Yep. So this is how the tire is coming out. So basically I haven't joined them. So I will still have a detachable mechanism, so that if I have to exhibit it somewhere, I can easily carry them around. Otherwise it's difficult to carry. So yeah, so I'm doing so there are small rivets will be put on it, the silver color rivets, and yep, so it's coming out well. I mean, I'm really happy with the finishing, and this is what is done already. Let me show you the close up of the engine. Do you conduct online workshop, and normally what is the duration of one workshop? Please let me know. Samir, I do. I haven't done anything online, but I am actually planning to do something online on Zoom, basically, especially in this pandemic. So let's connect. I mean, I have an idea. I can give you material, you can print and cut, and then we can do a workshop together. But I haven't done anything online yet. But I've done a lot of in-person workshops. So this is how I haven't fixed this part yet. This is still detached, but I will join it soon. And this is how it will look like. This is all paper. Yep, and only paper and nothing else. Yep. Thanks, guys. And yep, so I do live video every day. I didn't know that you guys are so active on Facebook, because I don't go live on Facebook. I only go live on Instagram every day, every night for 2-3 hours. This is my third hour. Last 2 hours I was on Instagram. Hi Amrinder, how are you? So I mean, I would love to connect with you guys on Facebook and on Instagram. If you guys are on Instagram also, please do connect with the same name, Paper Model Guru, and we would connect there, because I have a good interaction with a lot of people on Instagram, and they expect me every day to be live, so I go live there on Instagram. Let me show you guys. So it's gonna be huge model. Huge means huge, and my plan is to, once this model is made, I will put it on the wall so that it's visible from, just like if when you go to the Mini Cooper showroom, the Mini Cooper is always installed on the wall, right? And it is signature looks. It looks like its signature. So this is what my plan is. So once this model is done, I will put it on the wall, and then I will exhibit it everywhere. So yeah, let's see. But it's coming out to be very heavy also, because there's a lot of paper, lot of parts in it, lot of paper in it. I'm yet to do the detailing on this part. This detailing is almost done. Yeah, this tire is almost done, almost finished, minus the rivets, because the rivets are going to be here. So I'm yet to do the rivets. Yep. And I've made the mechanism in such a way that this axle will go through it, and it can be detached. So I can carry it to the exhibitions, and I can disassemble it. sorry. And guys, cheers for the weekend, and hope you are safe from COVID, and having a good time with your family as well. So I'm from Bahrain. I'm from India basically, but I'm living in Bahrain now. Thanks, Amarinder. Thank you. So yep. So let me just then continue with my model. I think I'm overwhelmed with the number of people who joined me live, because I thought I'm not very frequent on Facebook, so not a lot of you will get notification, but I think it seems Facebook has sent you guys notifications. So that's good. That's really good. Good for me, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to join these parts. And what is the weight of the paper you use? Turbo material easy to buy. Emerson, I'm using 180 GSM cardstock from Cordinen, Italy. 180 GSM. It's so I usually use 180 GSM, but in this model I have used 6 different kind of paper. So let me show you what I mean. So this whole gray thing is 180 GSM. The silver is 80 GSM. I got it from IKEA. Hi German Ramis, thank you. And this golden paper is 120 GSM from Arjo Begins. Then I am using 300 GSM paper, black paper, for the windows of the car, but I don't have it here. It's in the other room. I will bring it. And then I'm using 60 GSM normal home printing paper for let me show you these guys. Wait, hold on a second. Let me show you something. Give me a sec. The smallest parts of this model. If a person learn this, can he should commercialize it anyway? Sameer, it's difficult to say, because I have been struggling to commercialize it, but on the same time I have been able to sell a few of my models, especially to the Indian Army and people in Europe. So it's difficult to find a market, but if somebody likes it, they will buy it and they will pay any price for it. So yeah. So let me show you something which I've recently posted on my Instagram. Let me show this to you. So this is the shock absorbers for the wings. So this paper is also 120 GSM gold paper from Curious Collection of Arjo Begins. Yeah. So this whole thing, if you check out my Instagram post, recent Instagram post, you will see how I made this part. So similarly, all of these parts. Let me show you it. So all of this is made of the black parts are made using 60 GSM paper, and then the golden parts are using 120 GSM paper, and it's coming out very well. I mean I'm really happy with the kind of finishing I've been able to achieve so far. It's all paper and nothing else. And let me show you the smallest parts. Wait, I need the tweezer for that. I can't hold it with my fingers. Yeah. So this part, if you see my thumbnail, it's okay. The thumb, it's almost the size of a thumb. Hi Mohammed Ghafoor, what's up? But I find it interesting to present these details. Yeah, Emerson, no issues, man. You are not disturbing me. It's okay. Thank you. So this is again shock absorbers for one of the parts, because if you see Batman, I'll throw it down. Wait, hold on. If you see Batman tumbler, let me show it to you guys. I'll zoom it in. So if you see this, so you will see shock absorbers all across the body. Like you see here, then you see here, this one, then you see here, then on the wings. So all of these parts which I just showed are these parts, the small parts, and then there is a lot of shock absorbers inside this wheels assembly. So I'll be I'm making a time lapse video of it also. So you will love to watch that video, just like you guys loved that T90 tank 1:6 scale T90 tank so much. You are going to love this video also. I guarantee you that. Would love to connect with you, see if you can work something together. Sure, Samir, no issues. You can always direct message me, man, and we'll see if we can do something. Going to be almost as good as T90. Yes, Scott. Yes, glad that you brought that up. Yes, it is. I think it is going to beat T90 tank in a way, because see, the thing is that everybody likes Batman stuff, right? T90 tank is guys. Can I have hearts? I mean, I really want to see that hearts popping out from the side of the window while I'm talking. So yeah, I mean, it's up to you if you don't want, but if you want, I would love to have that. Okay, so T90 tank is a tank, right? It's a weapon. So people who are into, I mean, not everybody is into tanks, but everybody is into Batman and stuff. Everybody is into DC Comics and Marvel and all. So I think from that perspective, this tank is going to be it's going to rock. So not tank. Basically, you know what? This is also a tank. When they show this model for the first time, not the model, sorry. When they show this vehicle for the first time in Batman Begins, the cop, when he describes it to his colleague on his walkie-talkie, he says that I just saw a black tank. So it's a tank again. So I have a thing for tanks, and this is a tank again. But T90 tank was something different. It was 6.5 feet long. This is going to be 2 feet long, but it has more detailing than that tank. So I hope that I will be able to do justice to this. Yeah, this model is coming out well. I mean, I wanted to make it 10 years back. I have been waiting for this chance to make this model, and now I thought that this is time I should make this model. Hi Atish, how are you? Good to see you, man. So yeah, this is what is coming up, guys. So people who have just joined, let me show you again. I love role playing, cosplaying. Sorry, not role playing. Sorry, cosplaying with with my models and imagining how it will look like once it's built. So it feels good when the shape starts taking place, right? So this is how the tumbler is coming up. Let me show you by rotating it. Wait. By your side. Yep. In scale would be 1:16. No, the scale which I am making is 1:9 scale, basically 1:9. 1:9. Yep. But I change for you. And cheers, guys. Weekend is there, and yep. Even if the weekend is not there, I drink almost every day. I drink. I have my beer, because as I told you, I do live video every day on my Instagram. So, but with that video, I'm always having my beer, and I feel good, and I love to answer all the questions of my fans and people who like paper modeling and scale modeling in particular. Yep. So it's a good hobby, man. I mean, I'm sure a lot of you are modelers and scale modelers, and that's why you connected with me. But if you are not, you should try scale modeling. It will change your life. I can guarantee you that. There is nothing satisfying than building things with your hands, and especially machines. If you check out my Facebook page or my Instagram, Paper Model Guru, because Instagram has all photos, right? So it's easier to see my work there, and Facebook is you have to scroll through it. So Instagram, you check out Paper Model Guru, try to follow it, and check out my work. You will definitely like what all I have done. I've made all sorts of weapons, guns, and rocket launchers, helicopters, ships, trains, bikes. In fact, I have my Yamaha Dragstar Classic 11 in that room. I would show you next time if I bring it. And then I have made this Iron Man helmet, which this is the model which I present and teach in my workshops, and that's the recent Batman wall which I recently did, uh, because I wanted to have a Batman theme wall before starting the model, and yeah, so that also was something new. I have never done wall art before because I have always done paper modeling, so I have never done wall art, but this time I did wall art using paper. You said everything. It is pleasant to create these things from paper. Yep, it is, man. Emerson, yeah, it is. I have been doing this for last 17 years, and my first paper model was F4F Grumman Wildcat airplane, World War II airplane, and that changed my life. In fact, that model was, appreciated by this gentleman in US, Kentucky. His name is Mr. Divine Barnett, and he introduced me to the world of scale paper modeling. And today I've reached a certain level because I have made more than 50 paper models in my life, and I'm not gonna stop anytime soon. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy it, and I'm sure that I'll be able to inspire young people to try this hobby out. I'm doing my best to explain them in an easy way how to start with this hobby and how it can change your life. And a lot of people have started. Especially on my Instagram, I get to see a lot of posts from people. They tag me that, sir, thanks for inspiring me. I have started this hobby because of you. So that really feels like I feel a lot of satisfaction hearing those words because my mission is started. So I want to make an army of paper modelers before I leave this planet, and leave a legacy behind. That paper model guru, kind of started this trend in India, because in India not many paper modelers are there. In fact, I only know 2 other paper modelers apart from me, but nobody is doing in the scale which I am doing. So I'm like, in a country of 1.3 billion people, I'm the only one I can say who is doing paper modeling in this scale, and so I want to leave a legacy behind, and I think it's working out well. Youngsters are connecting with it, and they're trying it, and they're loving it. That's the thing, right? The interesting thing is that there is a story behind the hobby. My congratulations. Thanks, man. Emerson, thank you. I shared my story in my TEDx talk. I have spoken at TEDx. I think you guys would know what TEDx is. It's a platform where you can share your stories. It's a YouTube, very, very big thing in the world. So I got an opportunity in 2015 when they invited me to talk about paper modeling in TEDx, and that was my first experience in talking in public. And that video was loved. If you want to see, just go to YouTube and search for TEDx Atamjeet. That's my name, and you will find that video. I have spoke about passion, patience, precision, persistence, and perfection. 5 P's, the 5P formula for anything. If you want to master anything, and the 6th P was procrastination, which we must get away from. I'm the king of procrastinators, but it's easier said than done, right? So yeah, that was my message, and I'm waiting for another TEDx talk whenever I get a chance, because my next talk is ready. It's going to be about T90 tank, which I made for the Indian Army. And that talk is ready. I just need a platform and an opportunity to talk about it, and how my childhood experiences helped me in making that tank, because I have always been fascinated by aeroplanes and tanks since my childhood. So it's a good story. I would share it someday on TEDx platform. Yep. So yep, I was actually putting these small parts. If you see this, so these parts on the wheels from last 3 hours, and let's say when it's gonna be completed. But I'm planning to finish the wheels at least in this week, this weekend, in 2 days, so that this booty of the model is ready. And then I will start with the front part of it. Yep. Who knows, one day I might apply an international exhibition of paper models in our museum. Yeah, man, why not? There are a lot of exhibitions happening in Israel and in Poland, and that's what exactly I want to do in India as well. But I need to first raise an army of paper modelers in India before I do an exhibition of that sort. So let's see, man. Yeah. And all the best to you, Emerson, also. Yeah, thank you, man. Thank you. Guys, please do follow my Instagram because I'm most active there. I hardly come on Facebook. Today I was just thinking, okay, I did 2 hours of live video on Instagram. Let me try Facebook. But I got a good response. I didn't expect all of you guys to be here. Yep. Brazil transformed the Sao Paulo aircraft carrier into a museum. Wow. Oh, that's cool, man. That's really good. Jem, hi Jem, how are you? Thank you, thanks a lot. Oh, that's going to be cool, man. I mean, the aircraft carrier is into a museum, so you get a chance to go into the aircraft carrier and plan things out. That's good. I've never been to an aircraft carrier, man. Even though I live very near to the US naval base because I'm in Bahrain. So Bahrain is a strong new US naval base. In fact, I live in the same building where all the US Navy guys are staying. But I never went to the carrier. I think I'm not allowed. But if you guys can do something about it, I would love to visit that. Hi Himanshu, how are you? Indrajit, how are you, man? So this is what I'm making, guys. People have just joined. 1:9 scale paper model of the Batman tumbler. In 1:9 scale. So it's going to be almost 2.5 feet long. Let me show you some nice pictures of this. Oops, sorry. Yep, this is a nice picture. This is actually a 3D model, basically not the real thing. This is a 3D model. Yep. Himanshu, what's up? And cheers again, guys. Yep. Actually, I've been sitting on this chair for more than 3 hours continuously, and now I'm tired. So I did a 2.5 hours video on Instagram, and now I just came here. Hi Indrajit, thank you. So I'm tired, and I'm going to hit the bed most likely. But before that, I need to send an email, so I'll do that. And thanks, guys. I think you guys are here. So I will do live video every day. I mean, I'm anyways doing live video every day on my Instagram every night, almost every night. But now I will do it on Facebook as well. So I will have 2 cameras in front of me, and I will be doing it on Facebook as well. But if you guys want to, follow me on Instagram, most welcome, because that's where I'm most active. I'm not active on my Facebook page anymore because Facebook algorithm is screwed up. I mean, your posts do not reach. I mean, I get only 5 or 6 likes on my post, even though I have 12,000 followers on my Facebook page. But on Instagram, I get almost 900 likes on a post with only 8,000 followers. So it's difference. We will have to work for months. Yeah, it's going to be it's going to take a couple of months for sure, because it has a lot of detailing on it. Thanks Paju Ibrahim, thanks a lot, thank you. Yep. So it's a long project, man. I mean, I always do something which is difficult. I mean, which is challenging, which is something like not everybody would be taking up. So that's what turns me on, and I like to challenge myself every time. And T90 tank was one project which challenged me, and this project also is challenging, but it's coming out pretty well. I mean I'm really happy with the kind of finishing I've been able to achieve so far. So I'm sure that I'll be able to do justice to this Batman tumbler, and Batman community is going to love it. I'm sure on that, right? So that's another reason I want to make it, because I've always been making things which are war related. People who are into World War II and weapons like my work, but now I want to target the audience who are into DC Comics and Marvel and all. So those people. Hi Pavel, what's up, man? How are you? So this is what I'm making, Pavel. I'm sure you will like it. The 1:9 scale paper model of the Batman tumbler. Yep. Oh, I've been speaking from last 3 hours, man. Hi Luis, what's up? I'm tired now. Good. So I'll try to be more live on Facebook. So at least 1 hour every day, because I do 2 to 3 hours live every day on Instagram. So I can split it up between Instagram and Facebook to do real size using the scale models. It is possible, Emerson. Is just that real size would need a lot of skeleton inside the model, so it can be a thick cardboard or something. My T90 tank had a skeleton inside it, so it was 1:6 scale. It's around 6.5 feet long, so it was not easy to make it. So I had to make a skeleton inside it. So if you see my video, right, the T90 tank, the first pinned video on my Facebook page. After this video, you can see that video if you remember. So if you see that video, I have used a concept of boxes. Basically, each part was a box. So I fitted the boxes, and it took the shape of the tank. So it was boxes. So that box design can be used to make anything. So that's possible, yeah. So yeah, it's quite possible, but it's just that whether it's practical to make 1:1 scale 30-foot long thing out of paper, how it will last and how would you carry it around, that's one thing. So it's not easy to carry it, so that's one thing. But a 6.5 or 7 feet long model can still be managed. You can still carry it around in your car, in your sedan. And my third beer is done. Where is my chips? Yeah. So yep, guys, I think I should take a break now. I'm tired. I've been talking from last 2.5-3 hours. I'll try to be live more frequently. Okay. Good night and stay blessed. Thank you. Take care. And do follow Paper Model Guru Instagram. And you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Paper Model Guru. Again, I would love to connect with you guys on those platforms as well. And God bless you all. Thank you. Good night and stay blessed. I'll come back live tomorrow for sure. Hey Mihir, what's up, man? I was just about to say bye, but since you have joined, I'll just spend one more minute. So Mihir, this is what I'm making, the Batman tumbler, 1:9 scale. This is what is made. A lot of detailing is left on the wheels. I will spend 2 to 3 more days to finish the wheels. But so far, it's coming out pretty neat. Yeah. Okay guys, see you. Thanks a lot. And God bless you all. Please follow Paper Model Guru Instagram, okay? Thank you. Oh, a lot of people have just joined, so I shouldn't leave now. Thanks Emerson, thank you. Big hug to you, man. Thank you. No hugs, man. It's social distancing. No hugs, only what do you call this? I don't know what you call this. But I mean, I've decided that I will never even shake hands with anyone now. It's always namaste now, from now onwards, yeah. Yeah, Mihir, it's going to be amazing. It's going to beat my T90 tank, hopefully. Let's see. I mean, too soon to say it, but so far it's coming out pretty nice and pretty neat and clean. Yep. The model is designed well. Basically, this design is done by a Korean guy with the name of Terra Drone. I was not able to find him anywhere on Instagram, Facebook. Maybe he's on some Korean social media platforms, but I wasn't able to find him. I wanted to thank him personally for this design. He's done a very good job. Let me show you some of the instructions of this model. You will get to know what kind of detailing in this model is. Yeah. Can you guys see? Yep. So this is the chassis of the model. Check out the detailing on this front wheel assembly, the front suspension. This is a lot of parts. So these golden parts are the ones I just showed you. Here, let me show you. So these are the parts, golden parts, which will be these parts, right? And these are the wings, and this is the detailing on the body, and this is the afterburner which I just showed you. And let me show you again. So basically this part is this, all these 7 parts combined together to make this part. This is the engine. This is exactly what I'm holding right now, the afterburner, minus these parts and a few more, like these rivets I am yet to join, so I will join it. And the wheels are pretty detailed. I mean, these are the wings. I hope so, Emerson. I mean, I'm just waiting for that day, man. Let's see. So yeah, this is how it's designed so well. This is the front wheel. Not so many parts in the wheel, but this is the real wheel. This is the inner section of the wheel, and this is the outer section, and this is how things will be joined. So this thing which you are seeing is this part only, this thing. Yep. And then that's it. Then this is the front view, side view, bottom view, top view, and bottom view of the tumbler. So long way to go. Maybe 15% of the project is done. 12% of it is done. Still 80+% is still left. It's not a small, it's a big road ahead, but I'm enjoying it, so I'm not gonna stop making it. As always, maybe it will take me a couple of months also. So, but I will finish it before I give up, which I never do. So yeah, that's how it is. And what else do I have in front of me to show you guys? Yep. So these are the air inlets. Let me show you the detailing of the air inlets. So these are the air inlets. This is the black paper which I was talking about, the 300 GSM paper. So small parts, the shock absorbers, mechanical engine, definitely a new piece of art in terms of minute detailing. Yep. Meher, actually you just joined, right? You didn't see these parts. The shock absorbers which you are talking about is this. This is the shock absorber. Check out the size of the part in respect to my thumb. So these are shock absorbers which are the smallest part of the model, and even in fact this is also one of the smallest parts. Let me show you. So it took me 3 days to make all these parts, all these shock absorbers and things, and yep, all of these. Yeah, it's a lot of detailing. Yeah, a lot of it is maybe 15% is made. I mean, I wouldn't say 12%. I think 15% is done because the shock absorbers took me a lot of time, and it's a tedious thing to make them. So since it's made, all I need to just join them now. So yeah, I think it's coming out well. Yep. Thank you. Take care, buddy. Thank you. And thanks a lot, guys. See you tomorrow again on Facebook and on Instagram. Paper Model Guru. Search for it and join me on Instagram. Thank you. Bye. Good night. Stay blessed. Thank you.